You never know when you might need a dependable source of light. That makes an EDC flashlight an essential piece of gear to carry around. Since it can be a piece of life-saving gear, compromising on quality is not an option. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best EDC flashlight in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Fenix E35 version 3.0. The E-series from Fenix is designed specifically for EDC purposes. This improved version of the original E35 emits a steady 3000 lumens in turbo mode and 50 lumens in eco mode from the cool white SST70 LED. The beam can cover a maximum distance of 787 feet. The flashlight has an aluminum body with an IP68 rating and a 3.2-foot impact resistance. In other words, the durability is top-notch. It includes a 5000 mAh 21700 rechargeable battery that allows USB charging. However, you need to take out the batteries for charging. Unlike many other EDC flashlights, Fenix has added a side copper switch that is wear resistant. There are 5 illumination modes and a strobe mode. The lack of a tail light might turn off some users. Number 2. Nitecore T4K 4000. Usually, small flashlights have limited outputs. But not the Nitecore T4K. This is a keychain flashlight from Nitecore that uses for CREXPL2V6 LEDs to deliver a massive output of 4000 lumens. Considering this is a flashlight that fits in your fist, the light output is outstanding. However, the top output is only available in 10-second bursts. The T4K has a hard anodized case with a premium finish. A textured surface makes it easy to grip. There is a USB-C port at the bottom of the light for charging. Nitecore includes a key clasp with a quick-release mechanism for attaching it to a keychain. Number 3. Fenix UC35 version 2.0. Fenix has updated the version 2.0 of the popular UC35 flashlight from the ground up to provide a better user experience. For example, the output and the maximum beam distance have been bumped up to 1000 lumens and 873 feet respectively. While it isn't the brightest EDC light you will find, the battery life is where the UC35 shines. It uses a 18650 rechargeable lithium-ion battery and can run on 2 CR123A batteries as well. Fenix has used the CREXPL HIV3 LED, and the runtime with the rechargeable is over 2.2 hours in turbo mode. Shift to Moonlight mode, which delivers 1 lumen, and you can get around 750 hours of runtime from the battery. Number 4. ThruNite T1S. The T1S is the updated version of the ThruNite T1 and delivers a bright beam with a small form factor. The maximum output is 1212 lumens with a beam distance of 603 feet. The 18350 battery is USB rechargeable, and ThruNite has included a USB-C charging cable in the package. The T1S comes with 6 modes and the battery life is decent at best. The low mode delivers 7 lumens and lasts for 44 hours. Note, the turbo mode drains the battery quickly and the peak intensity lasts only for 5 minutes. On the plus side, the beam pattern from the CREXPL50 LED is tight and the throw is good. Number 5. Streamlight MicroStream. Streamlight has always manufactured top-quality flashlights for the budget-conscious buyer, and the MicroStream is no exception. Even though it is not a chart topper in terms of output and beam throw, the simplicity of the design makes it a great pick. With a length of 3.87 inches and a weight of 1.1 ounces, the microsterem fits easily into the pocket. The anodized aluminum cylinder is well made and is IPX4 water resistant. The surface offers a solid grip and is durable enough to resist drops and bumps during regular use. That was our list of the top 5 best EDC flashlight in 2023 just for you.